Welcome to Learn English with Movies. In this video, we will talk about the movie The Shawshank Redemption. This film is about friendship, hope, and freedom. It shows how one man stays strong even in a very bad place. We will explain the story in simple English. You will also learn useful vocabulary from the movie. The story begins with Andy Dufresne. He is a banker who is sent to prison. He is accused of killing his wife and her lover. Andy says he is innocent, but the court sends him to Shawshank Prison. The prison is dark, cold, and full of danger. But Andy does not give up. In prison, Andy meets a man named Red. Red has been in prison for a long time. He is smart and knows how to get things inside. They become friends over time. Red helps Andy learn how to live in prison. Andy helps Red think about life in a new way. Andy keeps himself busy in prison. He works in the library and helps the guards with their taxes. He becomes important to the prison staff. But all this time, he is also planning something. He is planning to escape from Shawshank. He digs a hole in his cell wall for many years. He hides it behind a poster. No one knows what he is doing. He also keeps hope alive. He tells Red that hope is a good thing. Red is not sure, but Andy believes strongly. One night, Andy escapes from prison. He crawls through a tunnel he made. He also takes money from the warden, who was using him for illegal work. Andy sends proof of the crimes to the police. The warden is caught, and Andy is free. After Andy escapes, Red is left behind. He misses his friend. But soon, Red gets parole. He is free after many years. At first, life outside is hard. Red feels lost and alone. But he remembers what Andy said about hope. Red follows Andy's instructions. He finds a box under a tree. Inside is money and a letter. Andy tells Red to come find him. Red travels to Mexico. There, he sees Andy again. They are finally free and together. This movie teaches us about hope. Even in the worst places, we can keep hope alive. Andy never gave up. He kept working for a better life. Red learned to believe in hope too. Their friendship helped them both. Let's explore more about Andy's life before prison. He was a quiet man, working in a bank. He loved numbers and solving problems. He did not show emotions easily. People found him strange but smart. When his wife died, his life changed completely. The court thought Andy killed his wife. They found him near the house with a gun. But Andy said he just went there to think. He was upset and confused. He never pulled the trigger. Still, the court did not believe him. At Shawshank Prison, Andy had to adjust. The prison was harsh and violent. The guards were cruel, and many inmates were dangerous. At first, Andy stayed alone. He read books and watched people. Slowly, he learned how to survive. Red noticed Andy was different. He was calm and polite. He asked Red for a rock hammer, a small tool to shape stones. Red thought it was harmless. This tool would later help Andy dig the tunnel. But no one knew at the time. Andy also asked for posters. He put up pictures of movie stars like Rita Hayworth. These posters made his cell feel normal. Behind them, he started digging. A little bit each day. It was his secret plan for many years. As time passed, Andy helped many people in prison. He taught some men how to read and write. He started a small library with donated books. He asked the government for more funds. Finally, they sent books and money. Andy became the head of the library. He named it the Brooks Hatlen Memorial Library, after an old inmate who left the prison. Brooks was a kind man who loved books and birds. But he could not adjust to life outside. It was a sad story. Brooks lived in prison for 50 years. When he left, the world had changed. He didn't know how to live freely. He worked in a store, but he was lonely. One day, he ended his life. This touched Andy and Red deeply. Andy did not want to end up like Brooks. He wanted freedom, not just outside, but in the mind. He said, "I guess it comes down to a simple choice: get busy living or get busy dying." This line became famous because it speaks about life and purpose. The warden, Mr. Norton, used Andy's skills to hide dirty money. Andy created fake names and accounts. He worked in the office like a real banker. But deep down, he was building his escape. He created a new identity, Randall Stevens. Randall Stevens was not real. But he had a full set of papers, tax files, and ID. Andy planned everything carefully. When he escaped, he took the money under this name. He used it to start a new life far away from Shawshank. Andy's escape was very clever. He crawled through the tunnel he dug for 19 years. He used a rope and a plastic bag to carry his things. He went into the sewer pipe, which was very dirty. It took great courage and patience. After crawling for 500 yards, Andy came out in the rain. It was a powerful moment. He raised his hands to the sky. He was finally free. This scene became iconic. It shows the feeling of freedom after long suffering. Andy went to a place called Zihuatanejo in Mexico. He wanted to fix up an old boat and run a hotel. He wrote to Red and invited him. He said if Red ever got out, he should come find him. He gave directions to a tree in the fields of Buxton. After some time, Red got parole. He remembered Andy's words, "Hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things." Red followed the instructions. He found the box Andy had left. Inside was money and a letter. Red felt nervous but excited. He broke the rules and left the halfway house. He traveled across the country to Mexico. There, he found Andy working on a boat. The final scene shows the two friends together again, smiling by the sea. Now let's focus on more vocabulary from the movie. Corrupt means dishonest for personal gain. The warden was corrupt. Solitary means being alone, often as punishment. Andy was sent to solitary when he protested. Tunnel is a long path underground. Other useful words are freedom, which means being free, and sentence, which means the punishment decided by the court. Red was sentenced to life in prison. Andy served nearly 20 years before escaping. Let's talk about prison life vocabulary. Cell is the small room where a prisoner lives. Guard is a person who watches prisoners. Inmate is another word for a prisoner. Parole board is the group that decides if someone can leave prison early. The movie also teaches phrases. Institutionalized means someone has been in prison so long, they can't live outside. Brooks and Red both felt this. Adjustment means getting used to new things. Red had to adjust to life outside prison. Redemption means making up for past mistakes. The movie title includes this word because the story is about second chances. Andy and Red both find redemption in different ways. It's a message of hope and growth. Now let's practice with example sentences. Andy was sentenced to life, but he never gave up. The warden was corrupt and used Andy for money. Red was afraid to leave prison because he was institutionalized. Hope gave them both the strength to go on. Repeat these sentences aloud. Focus on clear pronunciation. You can pause the video and try again. Practice makes progress. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Each time you try, you get better. Let's do another quiz. What does institutionalized mean? A. Learning new words. B. Living in prison too long. C. Getting a job. The correct answer is B. What is a cell? A. A bird. B. A guard. C. A small prison room. The answer is C. What does redemption mean? A. Starting over after mistakes. B. Running away. C. Being angry. The answer is A. These words help you understand both the movie and English better. Keep practicing with more examples. Now let's try to write a short story using the new words. Imagine someone who was in prison but changed their life. Use words like hope, sentence, freedom, parole, and adjust. This helps you learn English by using it in real situations. The Shawshank Redemption is not just a movie. It's a lesson about life, patience, and hope. Watching it helps improve your listening and vocabulary. Try watching the movie again with subtitles in English. Notice how the characters speak. You can also write down your favorite lines. Translate them into your native language. Then try to say them in English again. Use a notebook to keep track of what you learn. This habit can improve your skills over time. Invite a friend to learn with you. Watch the movie together and discuss it. Try to speak in English. Ask questions like, "What did you learn?" or "Which character did you like most?" Talking about movies is great English practice. Make a list of 5 new words every time you watch a movie. Look up their meaning and pronunciation. Write 1 sentence for each word. Review your list every week. This method will build your vocabulary fast. Use the internet to find more lessons about the Shawshank Redemption. Many teachers have made guides and vocabulary lists. You can also find interviews with the actors. Listening to different voices helps your ear get used to English. Remember to be patient. Learning English is like Andy digging his tunnel, a little bit every day. Stay hopeful and keep going. With time, you will see big progress. Just like Andy found freedom, you will find fluency. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let us know in the comments what you learned today. Also, tell us which movie you want us to explain next. Keep learning, and keep hoping.